Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, Cheap Flowerhill. Local and long-distance movers near me. At Flowerhill Movers, we know the challenges of moving homes within and outside the city. We provide a dedicated team of professional movers to ensure an efficient moving experience. We also provide you with the necessary help to stay calm when moving. At 3 Movers, we are equipped with the expertise, local knowledge, and skill to make your move a smooth and hassle-free one. Here is a list of things you get when we assist you with your move. Skilled and friendly professional movers, local expertise, efficient packing and unpacking services, storage solutions. For those new to the city, Flowerhill offers many interesting tourist attractions, such as Flowerhill Promenade, Rio Washingtonian Center, and Redgate Golf Course, worth exploring. At 3 Movers, we are one of the leading Flowerhill long-distance company movers. We offer such services while delivering quality. We are ready to assist you with your long-distance moves and can assure you that your items will arrive without mishaps. We also offer insurance packages and liability coverage, providing protection over household items in unforeseen situations. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Flowerhill moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.